some natural disaster survival.
Really?
Get out of the video. So let's just go into the actual natural disaster survival, and let's go get into the video. Oh, what was that? Some confetti. Well, I mean, oh, there's someone. Oh, this.
I'm just fighting him.
So, I take fall damage in this one. So, you can call this character Bency. Or no, you can call this character Mr. Me. Oh, there's a basement. Oh, I didn't know that. You can call this character Mr. Mist.
Unsubscribe.
Mr. Mist. So, don't listen to my brother. My brother's just mad.
Unsubscribe.
So, oh, there's a little place you can go to the other place. And, oh, I'm up here now. Oh, I have to go all on this one? I thought it was another staircase, but okay. Oh, come on. Why did I have to go up here? Oh, I died in here because I died from fall damage. Sadly. So, I have to leave again? Why? Does it always do this? It literally always does this, but that's okay. Because I can always go back up. Why does it keep doing the confetti thing? I'm confused. Oh, here's the gear machine. And I'm gonna start the video. And right now I'm going to just making where are the rings are right there. Look, the rings are right there. One time someone hacked the server and the rings started going crazy. They started gathering stuff from the actual world right there, and it was funny because it just happened. So anyways, that's gonna happen after this video. Look how buff this guy looks. Look at him. Anyways, guys, so this is gonna wrap up the video. If you want to see more Roblox videos, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.